Hello, everybody. I'm here with another trade. I wanted to share with you guys the reason why I'm selling Euro USD today. So we're looking at Euro USD on daily time frame, and as you can see, we are in a very strong uptrend. And I have two upward daily trend line. So this one, I can connect these two lows together, and this one also these two, three touches of lows together. So we are in a very strong uptrend. But at this level, price was kind of slowing down and moving towards the downside. So when we go to 4 hours, based on a reversal trading, I have a high right here, a low, a lower high, and a lower low. And as you can see, we have only lows, and we are not getting any highs. So that indicates for me that the trend maybe is temporarily shifting from an uptrend to a downtrend. Uh, so and these blue trend lines are my 4 hour trend line. This one, I can connect these two together, and I could connect these together, and as you can see, this got broken, right? So once it's broken and I have a lower low, then it tells me that maybe the price is like shifting, and that's why I entered the trade right here at the retest of the previous low. And as you can see, we're going down, and my target is 57 pips away, and I'm already 14 pips into profit. And but when I go to one, and as you can see, I also have multiple downward trend line that has formed. So the 4 hour is this one. I have two 4 hour trend line, a downward trend line, which is this one that I can connect this high and this high. And then the second one is this one that I can connect this one and this one together. And then when I go to 1 hour, as you can see, I can have another trend line, which is this one. So it's been getting like steeper every time the price moves towards the downside. So that's why I've been adding uh, more trend line to my chart. And then when you look at 1 hour chart, you can see that where the price is right now. You can see that this red candle, this one. So this is a rally based rally. So this is my base rally based zone, which is my demand zone. It used to be my demand zone. As you can see, price came back, touched it, and went up. So right now we broke below this, right? Which basically what used to be a demand will be a supply now. So as you can see, we have this red 1 hour candle that just formed exactly in front of the red one. So that basically means that this demand zone is turning into a supply. If this candle or the next candle breaks below this red one, below this box, this red box, and closes, then basically it has turned into a supply zone. So here, if we get a red candle that breaks and closes below this green one, so that will be forming a drop based drop, which is basically a supply zone right here. So I expect to see on 1 hour, I expect to see something like this, right? Break below this, retest it, and then go down, right? So this is basically what I expect to see on 1 hour if we break below. So this is very important. What used to be a demand is now a supply. If we break and close it below this green candle. So this is basically my analysis on Euro USD, and what I'm expecting to see on 4 hour is basically this. And if we break below this daily line, this white line, we will probably go down. If we break below this white line, which is my daily key level, also basically we're breaking the upward 4 hour trend line, then price will continue probably go down to the next upward trend line. And then at this next upward trend line, we need to be watching the price to see if it's breaking that or it's bouncing up. But I expect a bounce off of it, especially since, as you can see on daily time frame, we broke above this level, right? We went up, but it hasn't retested it. So maybe the price is going back to retest this high and then bounce up again. But we'll never know. So this is basically my analysis on Euro USD, and as I've always said in my previous videos, this is just trading. We don't know what's going to happen. We're just playing with the probabilities. You all have a great day.